Yeah, 997, 998. Come on, 999, 1,000. Ooh, way to go.
Thank you, man. Oh, didn't see you guys there. Hey, what's up, guys? Giancarlo here from GC3 Fitness, and in today's video, we're gonna take you through a 4-minute Tabata core workout, okay? If you've seen on my channel before, Tabata is 20 seconds on, followed by 10 seconds off. All right, it is 4 minutes. It has been a while that we haven't done an actual workout, so we wanted to implement that now. All right, Bruno's gonna be doing more of the modified version of the actual exercise, while I'll be doing the regular exercise. So if you feel like you cannot perform the regular exercise, then you can jump into the modified version. Or even if you feel like you can't hang fully for the 20 seconds, then you can always drop down to Bruno's version, okay? His will be more of the beginner, while mine will be more of the more advanced, okay? So Bruno, you ready for the workout? Let's do it. All right, here we go. Let's go. Starting with the V-ups, all right? We're going 3, 2, 1, and here we go. So as you can tell, Bruno's going more knees in while I'm more straight leg, making it just a little bit harder, forcing my whole core to work, meeting in the middle, reaching for my toes. Here we go, Bruno, and rest. Good. Next one, we're going into a crunch, okay? So we're gonna go into a crunch. While his knees are gonna stay down, I'm actually gonna lift my knees up, okay? So hands behind your head. Here we go, and go. Biggest thing here, you wanna focus on your breathing. Okay, notice how when I come up, I'm letting all my air out, so there's nothing left and I can really focus on the crunch of the exercise. All right, Bruno, we got 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and rest, okay? Next one, we got Russian twist. All right, Russian twist is gonna keep his feet down, really focusing on the oblique twist, where I'm actually gonna keep my feet elevated up. Here we go, and go. Again, this is a quick exercise, but you wanna focus on the breathing, okay? So as you twist, keep it very short breaths, right? Again, really focusing on the twist, letting your air out, focusing on more obliques, and rest, good. Okay, last one before rotating, we're gonna go into a hollow body hold. Okay, Bruno's gonna crunch in like a ball, while I'm gonna extend out. All right, here we go, hands by your side, shoulders off the ground, and go. All right, keeping your toes pointed away from you, hands by your side, right? Try not to grab on, right? Hands by your side, shoulders off the ground. The more extended you are, the harder it is. The more closer you are to the body, the easier it gets, right? But still challenging, and rest, good. Now, that was 2 minutes. Now we're gonna repeat it one more time to complete that 4-minute workout. We got the V-ups to start off, okay? Here we go, in 3, 2, 1, and go. Ooh, this time around, it's a little harder. 5 seconds. And rest, good. Now we're going into that crunch, okay? Yes. Round 2 is definitely harder, okay? You should already feel that after that hollow hold. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, and crunch. All right, guys, remember, again, get that shoulders off the ground, drive that chest up, right? Eyes should be up, squeeze, let all your air out. Working on the top portion of your abs, and rest, good. Almost done, guys, almost done. We got Russian twist now. Bruno's feet down again, nice and elevated. Remember, short breaths, here we go, and go. Notice how we're in a very short incline, right? My back's not on the ground. I'm not standing straight up either. I'm in a nice angled incline, focusing on that big twist. Okay, short breaths, remember. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Last one, guys. Last one to complete the 4 minutes. Ready? Hollow body, okay? We're going 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and up. All right, you're focusing on these holds. Get those shoulders off the ground, right? We don't want to have our shoulders on the floor. We want to make sure our back is nice and round. You're not arching it. If you feel like you're arching your back in this position, you're definitely going to want to drop into that, okay? 3 seconds, hang on, and rest. Woo! I definitely feel that. Good work, boy. So you can tell, beginner, intermediate, athlete, all right? This workout is for all levels. This was a 4-minute Tabata workout, but that does not mean you have to stop. Okay, we're actually gonna continue our workout now. So feel free to do another round, another one. Make it an 8-minute workout, make it a 12-minute workout. Something so simple, look at it. Sweating, right? We got a nice little core workout. Use it as a finisher, right? That's what Tabatas are there for. Remember, 20 seconds on, followed by 10 seconds off, all right, guys? Make sure to stay tuned. Hopefully, if you liked the video, make sure to hit me with a like. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to tap that little bell so you guys get notified when I post. As for now, we're gonna continue with our workout. I'll catch you guys next time. Let's go.
Stuck, I see feet in the mud. You have been caught in the flood. While the water is